How to get a disabled Instagram account back. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how you can easily get your disabled Instagram account back. So first thing you want to do is simply head over to your Chrome browser or any other browser and simply search in for recover my Instagram account, just like this. And once you search it, simply find the option called disable Instagram account and click on it. And once you're over here, you will be seeing this visit this page option. Simply click on it and you will be redirected to this page where you have to talk about what happened wrong with your account. So simply click on my account was disabled and simply click on next. And it might ask you about your reason for your Instagram disable. So you may need to provide your username or phone number or also email address so that they can identify your account. So let me just do that. And after that, simply click on next. And once you click on next, you will see this page. And once you are redirected to this page, once again, what you need to do is simply click on next and simply click on other. And when you are inside this text box, simply type in the following word. And once you type in the following words, simply use your user account or username at last and simply click on submit. And that is it guys, that's exactly how you can get a disabled Instagram account back. So hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel. See you on the next one.